Kel crack rockin' that padlock with a stash spot in my rag top. Street dreams down the block from my dad's spot. Bad cops on my payroll. At a buck pop like Fago. At 50 cent for like 3 keys. Open up the doors for that yayo. White nights and I make snow. Bright lights and I lay low. Fight nights I'm like Mike Tyson. KO for that peso. That's the life that we chose. Talking about money, cars, and clothes. Fucking with 20 brothers exposed. Then we in a strip club till they close. These are the chronicles of a hood motherfucker doing what they gotta do to get paid. Chronic smoking every follicle of my shades. Writing my obituary dig in my grave. Cause all they say is jail or death. And I figure there ain't nothing left that I ain't did. So since I'm knee deep in my shit, don't hold my breath. Oh shit, gets us back to that broke shit. Roach clip in my ashtray, Tupac on my posters. Dreams of living like Sosa, but I'm waking up on this sofa. Still I'm waking up on this sofa. I ain't waiting around here no longer. Get it how you live it, bitch, we living dirty. And most of us that's living now ain't living dirty. Get it how you live it, bitch, we living dirty. Cock that 38, put on my mask and this gets blurry. I don't think you heard me. What I need a shirt for? When you beat shit and you go hard, that tour's gone and you back on to that street shit. What I need a shirt for? When these tattoos that I bleed with say everything about my story, come read this now. What I need a shirt for? 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 When I go hard, so hard to get everything that I work for. At the top is no friends, dog. At the bottom ain't shit, dog. Middleman and ain't it, dog. Plotting, drinking this hen, dog. And I said, Lord, my saviors, have I not protected my neighbor?